A very pleasant morning to all the members of RUM 2023, supported by the Ministry of Cultures and Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, organized by Nimam Pratishthan. I am Trishti Singh from Our Lady of Nazareth High School and Junior College, Bhandar West, Maharashtra. I am 7 years old and studying in 2nd standard. Today I will be speaking on the topic Unity in Diversity, that is Anekta Mein Ekta, an identical topic for India. As an Indian, when I look around myself, it makes believe in the concept of unity in diversity stronger, the unity that keeps us all together in peace and harmony. The best example of explaining unity in diversity is talking about the country India. Just one word, India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used this famous phrase, unity in diversity, in his book, Discovery of India, while describing our nation. Binding people of all religions in the bond of humanity is one of the greatest phrases. People in India have the specialties of being united by living diversity. India is a secular country where all the religions are equally supported. Being united as one nation, we are divided in 29 different states, but we use the same currency everywhere in our country. In these different states, people speak different languages and they have different cultures. And within those states, there are people who belong to different religions. We all stand united when we sing our national anthem. All the Indians belong to the same motherland, and that is India. During the cricket World Cups, the country joins as one big team and cheers for our players' victory. Whenever we have won the cricket World Cups, we have celebrated it being together. Even from Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, the soldiers are selected from different regions, religions, cultures and languages, but they fight together and protect us from our enemies. India has become a true founder in space research. The successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 is proof to our scientists and engineers. Joint progress towards space travel, it shows the beauty of unity in diversity. We all Indians are like a huge tree which has many branches and leaves, but has one trunk that connects us to our roots. I would like to end my speech by saying that united we are strong, divided we fall, and we should always be united for the growth of our country. And also like to thank all the teams of Nimam Pratishthan and Janta Kalyan Kendra for giving me this wonderful opportunity to build up the unity and integrity among the people of India. Jai Hind. Thank you.